In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to register a student writer who has yet to create an account with the Debbie Ellis Writing Center. This does happen quite frequently, where we have students that come in who haven't yet to use the Writing Center with the new scheduling system. So all you need to do at the beginning of the consultation, before you even start, is register them with the system. So you can set them up on their computer or on the computer, one of the computers in the center. Take them to this page, and all they need to do, or you can show them, is go to the little head, and they can fill out this form. They can also register through the mywco.com/DEWC if they want, but this is just a simpler way to do it if you are in the system already. So you can create the form with them or for them. Just keep in mind that they do have to have their entire SUID number, and they also have to create a password, so you might have to have them do the password on their own. So it is up to you. So then you create the account, and then you'll be able to log them in the system log a client report in the system after the fact. So if you have any questions about this, please let me know.